So you got this fancy car with the white cream color leather, and you want to keep it looking nice. What do? Well, keep it clean, keep it protected. And so you can use, starting out, since if it's brand new, you want to start out with the all-in-one. You have the combined leather cleaner and conditioner. If it gets a little further down the line where it's a little bit more dirty and than what the all-in-one can handle, you go with a what do you call it, a standalone product, a standalone cleaner and a standalone protection. So some of the products I like as far as protection is a 303 aerospace. You can go with Color Lock, makes two different standalone products, and those are two of the primary ones I use. As far as a cleaner, on the interior clean, I use the P&S, the double black line, the Extreme Interior. That's a standalone product because it works on the leather, plastic, rubber, so basically everything on the interior except for your carpets. And then you can come back with your whatever preferred protectant you want to use, conditioner, protectant. And the reason I say protectant, because you want something with some UV inhibitors in it. If you want to put something on the dash and it doesn't shine, so you want to go with a product that doesn't shine, you can use it. It's versatile. So you have some VLR, vinyl leather, rubber products like that. Mothers makes one. Mothers makes a what do you call it? I think it's a combined leather cleaner and conditioner. So that's off the shelf. That's one that I've seen before that you can grab, and you can find some stuff online. But the main thing is keeping your leather clean, even if you got vinyl. But if you have seats, vinyl or leather seats, you want to keep them clean and free of debris and condition some kind of protectant on it, so they'll stay soft and pliable. Because once you stop keeping that, you get away from that regimen, it's going to dry up. Just remember, leather, the skin, you got to keep it moisturized. Vinyl, although it's plastic, you still want to keep it moisturized. It's a little bit more durable than your leather, but keep it moisturized. Keep something on it to keep the sun if you don't have tinted windows or you don't park in the garage. So if it's exposed to the exterior, the outside, parked outside on a regular basis. So the sunlight, a lot of sunlight. So you want to definitely look at ways to maintain your vehicle for as long as possible, especially at the price they're costing right now. So keep it clean, keep it protected.